Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video by Cybrosys. Today in this video, let's talk about the closing of a subscription. Odoo subscriptions allows you to control whether customers can manage their subscriptions including cancellations. First of all, let's go to the subscription and go to the configuration. So here under the configuration, you can see these close reasons as well as the recurring plans. So I'm opening the recurring plan and opening an existing one. So here you can see monthly new is a new plan. So here you have the option which is closable under self-service. So this allows the customers to close their subscriptions via the customer portal. So I'm just enabling it and saving it. Okay. So I've did this and I'm going back. Here under the configuration, you have close reasons as well. So you have to set up some reasons before closing it. That is, once you click on the close, it will be asking for reasons. So reasons can be pre-configured and kept here. So you have a lot of things like subscription is too expensive, cancelled, I don't use it and all such things. Now I'm going to create a new subscription from here. Okay, so let's add a customer. Let it be Abigail. The recurring plan, I'm choosing it as, so let's click on this. Let's choose monthly new, for which I've, configured the closing things and all. So this is the subscription quotation right now. I'm going to add a product. So before adding a product, I'm going to search for more and filter it based on subscriptions. So let's choose a subscription product. So let it be car leasing. Okay. So the quantity and all is 1 here. I'm going to confirm this into a sale order. So right now it's a sale order. Next thing is to create invoice. So you have to create a draft invoice first. So you can see you cannot create an invoice. No items are available to invoice. So I'm going to cancel this. You can see the delivered ones is 0. So I'm putting it to 1. And then I'm going to create the invoice. So create the draft invoice, confirm it to a posted invoice and then pay for it. So I'm just creating the payment here and here you can see the in payment ribbon. Now if you go back to the sale order, that is the subscription order, you can see the close button. So if you just click on the close button, such a pop-up comes where it asks for close reasons. Okay, so I've already shown you where the close reasons have been configured. So if you click on such a thing, this pop-up comes and you can select a predefined reason from the drop down or enter the reason manually. So I am just putting it to automatic renew, whatever it is, subscription is too expensive. Okay, and then I'm submitting it. So what happens is that this status of the subscription turns to churned one. Okay, so this is how a closing takes place. Okay, once you close it, what happens is that it will turn the status to churned one. Okay, so this is how it works. This is how the closing of a subscription looks like. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope it's clear for you guys. That was a very simple topic. So thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.